Are you a student who wants to make money, but you don't have a degree yet? What if I told you that in 2026, you can earn up to $2,000 a month just by learning a few smart skills, right from your laptop? No degree, no office, just your skills and Wi-Fi connection. Let's get into it. The world is changing fast. AI and automation are replacing boring jobs, but at the same time, new opportunities are opening for smart students who know how to use technology. In this video, I'll share 5 real skills that can help you start earning $2,000 per month as a student in 2026, even before graduation. Skill number 1, video editing and AI animation. Every YouTuber, brand, and influencer needs content, and they pay big for editors who can make videos pop. Tools like CapCut, Runway ML, Pika Labs, and Vyond make it easy to create professional videos using AI. You can start editing short-form content, Reels, or YouTube videos, and charge $100 to $500 per project. Just 4 to 5 clients a month can easily get you over $2,000. Skill number 2, graphic design and thumbnails. Thumbnails are the first thing people click on, and smart designers make serious money from them. Use tools like Canva, Photoshop, or Leonardo AI to design YouTube thumbnails, posters, or brand content. It's easy to learn and highly in demand on Fiverr and Upwork. Start small, grow fast, and you'll hit that $2,000 mark faster than you think. Skill number 3, digital marketing plus AI tools. Businesses in the US need people who can help them grow online. Learn how to run Facebook or Instagram ads, use AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper, and create social media content. You can manage small business pages and earn $500 to $1,000 per client. 2 to 3 clients, and you're already making a full-time income as a student. Skill number 4, prompt engineering and AI automation. This is one of the newest and most futuristic skills. Learn how to write smart prompts for tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Claude. You can sell custom prompts, create AI-generated content, or automate small business tasks. This niche is exploding, and early learners are making $100 to $200 per project easily. Skill number 5, YouTube automation, faceless channels. Don't want to show your face? No problem. You can run your own faceless YouTube channel or manage one for others. Learn script writing, voiceover, video editing, and thumbnail creation. Once your channel starts growing or you get clients, $2,000 per month is just the start. Don't wait to get ready, because the truth is, no one ever feels 100% ready when starting something new. Every successful freelancer, YouTuber, or digital creator you see today once started with 0 experience and a laptop that barely worked. What made them different was consistency and confidence. Start small, maybe offer your first service for free or at a low price on Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. Build your portfolio, get your first few reviews, and keep improving every week. You don't need fancy equipment or a perfect setup. You just need curiosity and commitment. Remember this, in 2026 and beyond, skills are the new currency. Companies and clients don't care about your degree. They care about your ability to solve real problems. The internet doesn't care where you studied, how old you are, or what grades you got. It only cares about what you can do and how well you can do it. So stop overthinking, stop waiting for the right time. The right time is now, and your biggest advantage is that you're starting early. So if you're a student watching this in 2026, this is your wake-up call. Don't just scroll through videos dreaming about success. Start building it. Pick one skill that excites you, maybe video editing, AI tools, or digital marketing, and focus on mastering it. Learn from YouTube tutorials, take free online courses, and practice daily. Within a few months, you'll start seeing opportunities, real clients, real money, and real growth. You could be earning $2,000 a month or even more before your friends graduate. So make this your goal. By the end of this year, you'll be skilled, confident, and financially independent. Because the students who take action today will lead tomorrow's digital world. If this video inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe for more future skill content, and comment below. I'm ready to start my $2,000 journey. Remember, Your degree might open doors, but your skills will build your future.